Hello everyone and welcome to another room tour here with the Golden Guys UK. So we are staying in the Village Hotel in Eastleigh. The room, we've literally just got here, so we've kind of just dumped everything. We haven't got a clue about downstairs yet. But the room, it's a room at the end of the day. It's a nice little standard room. We've got a massive bed though. One thing with this, if you are coming, like we're coming here today for a cruise, there is no space for your luggage at all. Because that's why the bags are there. So that is my one downside to this room. There is nowhere to put your luggage. You've got a nice little vanity unit with a mirror, tea, coffees and kettles. That's your wardrobe. But as Johnny pointed out to me earlier, Premier Inn do exactly the same. They're going away from no wardrobes now. It's a budget room. Let's have a feel on the bed. Let's go. Oh, it's nice and bouncy. The phone's just come out of my pocket. Everything's come out of my pocket. It's brilliant. It's a nice bouncy bed. By the side of the unit, you've got a normal plug and a USB plug. You've got your, how'd you turn that on? Oh, that's the light for the room. I showed you I haven't been in long. How do I turn my lights on?
On the switch on the lamp, perhaps? No, down the side of the bed, the switch on the lamp.
Oh, is it down here?
Oh, like it is.
Oh, it's down there. got some funky wallpaper. Oh, I thought it was going to be, it's textured.
It's material.
Textured. On the other side, we've got some lovely towels here. Other side is exactly the same, apart from that one has drawers. This one doesn't. That's the only difference. Massive big TV. There was, as we came back in as well, we got the aircon unit down here and a few hooks for your coats. Then we're going to come on into the bathroom. So this bathroom's massive. It is a very big bathroom. We've got a lovely big sink here. Got a little vanity mirror and a mirror there. You've got a toilet, which looks lovely. It's a square toilet rather than a room toilet. Anyway, but then in the shower,
It's for all you square asses.
all you square bums. We've also got a nice big rainfall shower and a little one here, and some amenities. We do have a window. It hasn't got a view. I love this. It's quite fun. It's automatic. Automatic. Go. It's not working, there we go. It's working now. So that's that. So all in all, it's not a bad little room. If you want to know more about the room, watch our vlogs. We've got a whole series coming up for our cruise. We'll tell you a bit more about the room and the hotel and that. If you did like this video, make sure you hit the like button down the bottom, hit the subscribe button, leave a comment. We love to read them all. That's it from us. Safe travels. Thanks for being a friend.